Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox's new music feature. This exciting update provides creators with a vast, curated library of licensed audio, making it simpler than ever to enhance your experiences with sound. You can now access thousands of unique tracks directly within the platform, ensuring your creations have the perfect soundtrack. We'll cover everything from finding music to customizing its playback, so let's dive right in. Finding the perfect track is straightforward. Navigate to the creator dashboard and locate the dedicated music library section. Here, you can browse an extensive collection, filtering by genre, mood, or even specific instruments to pinpoint exactly what you need. Once you've found a track you like, simply drag and drop it into your experience's workspace. It's designed for quick and intuitive integration, saving you valuable development time. Once your music is in place, you have full control over its playback. You can easily adjust the volume to suit your experience's atmosphere and set tracks to loop continuously for background ambience. For professional-sounding transitions, implement fade-in and fade-out effects over a duration of, say, 2 to 5 seconds. Advanced creators can also use scripting to trigger music based on in-game events, offering a truly dynamic audio experience. To make the most of this new feature, consider a few best practices. Always ensure your chosen music enhances the player's experience without becoming a distraction. Test your audio on different devices, like mobile phones and desktop computers, to guarantee consistent quality and performance. Remember to always respect the licensing terms associated with each track, ensuring your creations remain compliant and enjoyable for everyone. Happy creating!
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.